Hi guys, Lloydie Buckets here, and this is my first shoe review. Today, we're gonna be testing out Harden Volume 9 Pink Flamengo. Actually, matagal na sa akin tong pair na to, pero di ko pa siya totally nabe-break in since BC. Pero ngayon, try natin. Tignan natin yung pros and cons. Let's go! First off, pag-usapan natin yung traction. Personally, it has a great bite. Ang squeaky niya. Partida yung court namin, dusty and not fully painted anymore. What more sa wooden court, di ba? Eto, spike check. Yun naman, di ba? Kahit sa laterals, hindi kayo papahiya. Super responsive niya. Even though nagpipick up siya ng dust, hindi to naging factor to affect the performance. Pagdating naman sa comfort and protection, panalong panalo. Ginalingan ni Adidas. Ramdam mo yung yakap sa paa mo once masuot mo siya. Dahil na rin sa sock-like booty na ginamit dito. When it comes to court feels, this is the one. For me, personally, low to the ground, ramdam mo talaga yung basketball court at hindi ka mahihirapan mag-adjust using them, lalo na if you're a shifty guard. The only downside is yung creasing. Kasi aesthetically, this is the one. But after a couple of views, makikita mo talaga yung creasing. For me, okay lang naman kahit may creasing, hindi naman siya nakaka-apekto sa performance. All in all, ito yung naging ratings ko sa Harden Volume 9.